Hi, and welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. Today we're going to draw another one of the most iconic anime manga characters of all time, Monkey D Luffy, star of One Piece and captain of the Straw Hat Pirates, and who, as a boy, acquired the properties of rubber after accidentally eating the supernatural gum-gum fruit. The One Piece manga has set the Guinness Book of World Records for most copies published of the same book series by a single author, with 480 million copies in print in 43 countries, making it the best-selling series of all time. And the anime has been running for 22 years now, along with 13 feature films and 13 television specials. With that in mind, all you need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. Easy peasy, right? Before we get started, make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow. Hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Okay, so let's draw Monkey D Luffy. We're going to draw Luffy step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. Because the drawing we're doing of Luffy is one of his iconic, exaggerated poses with lots of foreshortening going on, we're going to use his fist instead of his head to easily map out his position and his posture. In this drawing, Luffy is just over 4 fists tall. In other words, however big his fist is, his entire body height is 4 of those, with his closest foot, his left foot, sticking out just below that 4th fist height. Alright, so let's start with a roadmap for Monkey D Luffy. So there's our roadmap for Luffy. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we're going to do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the 3rd and final step to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help me to know where to put Luffy's eyes, mouth, nose, and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. So let's rough out Luffy's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of Monkey D Luffy. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Luffy. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the details for Luffy. Alrighty, there he is, the captain of the Straw Hat Pirates, the iconic Monkey D Luffy. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Luffy before, you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring him during this video, because I want my lessons to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Luffy. With that you can draw him again and again, and by all means color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So now I'd love to see your drawing of Luffy. If you can, take a picture and post it to either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #levelupcartooning. I hope you had fun with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.